Hello everyone, this is Anuta. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, welcome. I create content on productivity, personal growth, organization and lifestyle. So if either of these is something that you are interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also click on that bell so that you will be notified every single time I drop out a new video. So we all know that stress, anxiety, feeling sad, feeling lonely are all the different kinds of emotions we feel as human beings. And all these emotions make us feel down. But can we completely get rid of all these emotions that make us feel down from our life? No, we definitely cannot. Because life is not always about happiness, surprises, and other good emotions. It is also about feeling down sometimes. Because as human beings, it is totally okay to feel all these emotions, be it a good one or a bad one. But what's important is to know how to get out of these ruts and make yourself feel better. So in today's video, I've got 6 ways that will definitely help you to feel better naturally and instantly. So keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's get started. So the first way to make yourself feel better instantly is to wash your face and dress up. Yes, like I've already said, we all feel down and we all feel sad sometimes in our life due to various reasons. However, washing your face, dressing up and just making yourself up can actually help you feel a lot better. Yes, it is a proven fact that dressing yourself up makes you feel good. Irrespective of the current situation, it helps you feel good and better. It also helps you feel more confident and get rid of the lousiness. You know what, the major reason why we all feel lousy and moody is because we procrastinate to get ourselves ready and just make ourselves up. We do not want to get up, get ready, we do not want to dress up or just make ourselves up. We prefer not getting up and dressing up. But when you actually get up, wash your face and just put on some well-fitting clothes, it makes you feel more energetic and confident. And when you feel energetic and confident, it instantly makes you feel like a more responsible person, which in turn improves and increases your productivity. And the second way to feel better instantly is to take a few deep and slow breaths. Yes, taking a few deep, slow breaths is also another great way which will help you to feel better instantly and naturally. Yes, inhaling and exhaling a few deep breaths every day can make a drastic improvement on your life. Breathing correctly is important for your overall well-being. Practicing deep breathing is also a hack a lot of experts and psychologists swear by in treating and curing anxiety and nervousness. Like I said, it helps you instantly feel better because when you slowly take a few deep breaths, it sends a message to your brain to calm and relax. The brain then sends this message to your body, and when this happens, anything stressful in your body decreases and makes you feel relaxed. And a recent review of the relevant scientific literature found out that slow, deep breathing helps you alleviate the symptoms of depression and anxiety and helps you to relieve stress instantly. And the third way to help you feel better instantly is to spend your time with family, friends or any of your loved ones. Spending time with your family, friends or any of your loved ones is also a great way to help you feel better instantly and naturally. Because engaging yourself in those precious moments is not only enjoyable and fun, it also has a lot of health benefits. And one of the most amazing benefit of spending time with your family or your loved ones is that it helps in reducing stress level and also helps you feel a lot much better. A study conducted by Carnegie Mellon University found out that people use their family or friends as stress busters, talking about their problems instead of seeking negative coping mechanisms like smoking or doing drugs, etc. Another study published in the Annals of Behavioral Medicine found out that people who discuss difficult times in their lives had a lower pulse and blood pressure when they had their loved ones by their side. So now you know how beneficial and important spending time with your family, friends or your loved ones is. And the fourth way to instantly feel better is to write down your thoughts or talk to someone. Yes, like I've already talked about this in some of my previous videos, writing down your thoughts really helps a lot and is a great way to feel better instantly. And I can say that this is one of the most effective ways to help you feel better instantly. This is mostly because when you get rid of all your thoughts and feelings out of your head on a piece of paper, things seem to be much clearer and easier. Writing down your thoughts is a great way to make yourself feel better instantly because when you actually take some time to write down what you feel, it helps you identify what exactly is making you feel stressed or is troubling you. And once you know what the problem is, you can work on it to reduce it or get rid of it. And also, if you find writing in itself a task, try talking to someone because that really helps a lot too. And the fifth way to help you feel instantly better is to play with your pets. I know that this is not something accessible to everyone, but if you have, that's totally amazing because pets actually come up with some really powerful health benefits. You can actually experience immediate joys when you spend time with your pets, and most pets can help us reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and loneliness. And most importantly, the unconditional love you experience makes you feel so much better instantly. And although dogs and cats are said to have a lot of health benefits, it is not just them, because watching fish at an aquarium can too help you reduce your muscle tension and lower your pulse rate. And the sixth way to instantly feel better is to listen to your favorite music. Yes, listening to your favorite music is yet another great way that will definitely help you in feeling a lot much better. Because music has a great impact on one's mood, memory, performance, and well-being. Though noise is a stressor to our brain, listening to music that we like boosts our mood and keep the brain in a more relaxed state. Listening to music that we enjoy also stimulates the release of dopamine, which makes us feel rewarded and happy. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you liked this video and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and also comment down below other video ideas you would want to see on my channel, and also share this with someone who need to hear this. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.